In 2025, a restaurant chain partnered with Accucode to upgrade its office network infrastructure. The project required overnight upgrades with zero tolerance for operational delays, as each location had to be fully functional by morning. Complicating matters, no two restaurant sites were identical, necessitating meticulous site-specific planning and custom solutions for each location. Accucode's teams conducted comprehensive site surveys to determine optimal rack placement, while implementing protective measures to safeguard network devices from environmental exposure. Accucode maintained a unified approach, though different physical racks were installed. Each configuration delivered an identical core functionality once completed. The new network racks were precisely tailored to each office space, with all wiring meticulously organized for optimal performance and maintenance ease. A crucial innovation was the incorporation of a spare parts drawer, ensuring future technicians could resolve issues rapidly while maintaining consistent, clean core systems during subsequent service visits. Each installation occurred after hours, with restaurant chain personnel required to provide store access after closing and return the next morning to a fully operational network. This tight turnaround window demanded flawless execution, as modern restaurants depend on robust networks for essential operations. The network rack design and integrated spare parts system now enable rapid resolution of network issues, minimizing downtime and protecting revenue streams. For businesses facing similar complex network upgrade challenges with unique site requirements and zero disruption demands, contact Accucode today to develop a custom solution that meets your specific operational needs.